Rochester, New York, home to the Garbage Plate and Frederick Douglass, finds itself grappling with a new kind of resident, the Joro spider.
These aren't your typical backyard dwellers. Imagine looking up to find a spider the size of your palm, its web shimmering like gold in the sunlight. That's the Joro spider. And they've made themselves quite comfortable in the city's parks, gardens, and even on houses.
Joro spiders, scientifically known as, are hard to miss. Their vibrant yellow, blue, and black markings make them look like miniature works of art.
Their webs are equally impressive, stretching several feet wide and strong enough to ensnare small birds. These aren't just any webs. They're architectural marvels, spun with a golden silk that shimmers under the sun.
The arrival of these eight-legged visitors has sparked a mixture of awe and apprehension among Rochester residents. Some find them fascinating, marveling at their size and beauty.
Others, however, are less enthusiastic about sharing their space with these large arachnids. Sightings of Joro spiders have become a regular topic of conversation, with residents sharing stories of encounters with these new neighbors. Whether you find them fascinating or frightening, there's no denying that the Joro spiders have made their presence known in Rochester.
Their arrival begs the question, where did these striking creatures come from? And what does their presence mean for the city's ecosystem? Join us as we unravel the mystery of the Joro spiders and their journey to New York.
The Joro spider's journey to Rochester is a tale of resilience and adaptation. Originally hailing from East Asia, these spiders are believed to have hitchhiked their way to the United States on shipping containers, demonstrating their remarkable ability to travel long distances.
Their first stop was Georgia, where they were first spotted in 2013. Since their arrival in the U.S., Joro spiders have wasted no time in expanding their territory.
They've spread rapidly across the southeastern states, their golden webs becoming a common sight in gardens and forests. Their journey northward to Rochester, however, was unexpected and has piqued the interest of scientists studying their spread.
What makes Joro spiders different from the spiders we're used to seeing in New York? For starters, their size is a dead giveaway. While most local spiders are relatively small and inconspicuous, Joro spiders can grow to have a leg span of 3 to 4 inches, roughly the size of a child's hand.
Their webs are also significantly larger and stronger, capable of catching prey much larger than what native spiders typically target. But the differences go beyond size.
Joro spiders have a unique hunting strategy. They construct 3-layered webs with a dense, intricate layer in the center where they lie in wait for their prey. This complex web structure, combined with their size, allows them to capture a wider variety of insects, potentially impacting local insect populations.
The arrival of Joro spiders in Rochester has sparked debate about their potential impact on the local ecosystem.
Some experts believe that Joro spiders could actually be beneficial, helping to control populations of nuisance insects like mosquitoes and flies. Their large webs act as natural traps, capturing these insects and preventing them from becoming a nuisance to humans.
Others, however, are concerned about the potential for competition between Joro spiders and native spider species. Could these newcomers outcompete local spiders for resources, leading to a decline in their populations?
This is a question that researchers are actively investigating as they monitor the interactions between Joro spiders and their new neighbors.
One area of concern is the impact on native pollinators. While Joro spiders primarily feed on flying insects, there's a chance that they could also capture beneficial insects like bees and butterflies that play a crucial role in pollination.
Researchers are studying the contents of Joro spider webs to determine the extent to which they might be snaring these important pollinators.
Despite the uncertainties, one thing is clear. The arrival of Joro spiders presents a unique opportunity to study the dynamics of invasive species and their adaptation to new environments. Scientists are eager to learn how these spiders will continue to interact with the local ecosystem and what their long-term impact will be. The arrival of the Joro spiders has evoked a mixed bag of emotions among Rochester residents. Some are fascinated, viewing these large, colorful spiders as a welcome addition to the local wildlife. They're drawn to the spiders' intricate webs, marveling at their beauty and the spider's ability to construct such impressive structures.
However, others are less enthusiastic. The Joro spider's size and striking appearance can be intimidating, especially for those with arachnophobia. Stories of encounters with these giant spiders have become a regular part of conversations, with some residents expressing concern about their presence in gardens and near homes.
Despite the initial apprehension, many residents are learning to coexist with their new eight-legged neighbors. Local nature centers and educators have played a crucial role in dispelling myths and providing accurate information about Joro spiders. They emphasize that while Joro spiders are venomous, their venom poses little threat to humans, and they are not aggressive. The fascination with Joro spiders has even extended to the realm of social media. Residents have taken to sharing photos and videos of their encounters with these spiders, documenting their webs, their hunting behavior, and even their spiderlings. This online engagement has helped to raise awareness about Joro spiders and their presence in the community. As Joro spiders continue to establish themselves in Rochester, scientists are closely monitoring their spread and impact. Will they become a permanent fixture in the local ecosystem, or will their populations eventually decline? The answer remains uncertain, but researchers are actively studying these spiders to better understand their long-term prospects. The Joro spider, originally from East Asia, has made its way to the United States, and its presence in Rochester is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of this species. Scientists are particularly interested in how these spiders interact with the local flora and fauna, and what their presence means for the biodiversity of the region. By tracking their movements and studying their behaviors, researchers hope to gather valuable data that could inform future conservation efforts and ecological studies. The Joro spider's journey to Rochester is a fascinating example of how species can traverse great distances and establish themselves in new environments, often with significant ecological implications. One factor that could influence the Joro spider's future in Rochester is climate. These spiders are native to warmer climates, and it remains to be seen how well they can tolerate the colder winters of upstate New York. If they can successfully overwinter, it's likely that their populations will continue to grow. The ability to survive harsh winters would not only ensure their continued presence, but could also lead to an increase in their numbers, potentially affecting the local ecosystem in various ways. Researchers are conducting experiments to simulate winter conditions and observe how Joro spiders respond. These studies are crucial in predicting the long-term viability of the species in colder regions. Additionally, climate change could play a role in the Joro spider's future. As global temperatures rise, the winters in upstate New York may become milder, potentially creating a more hospitable environment for these spiders. This could lead to a northward expansion of their range, bringing them into contact with new ecosystems and species. Understanding how Joro spiders adapt to different climatic conditions will provide insights into their potential spread and impact on local biodiversity. Another factor to consider is the availability of prey. Joro spiders are voracious eaters, and their survival depends on a steady supply of insects. If they deplete local insect populations, it could ultimately limit their own growth and spread. The impact on local insect populations is a significant concern, as it could have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. Insects play crucial roles in pollination, decomposition, and as a food source for other animals. A decline in insect populations could disrupt these processes and affect other species that rely on insects for survival. Researchers are studying the feeding habits of Joro spiders to determine their preferred prey and how their presence might alter the local food web. By understanding these dynamics, scientists can better predict the ecological consequences of the Joro spider's establishment in Rochester. Additionally, the presence of Joro spiders could influence the behavior and distribution of other spider species. Competition for food and habitat could lead to shifts in the local spider community, with some species potentially being displaced or outcompeted. These interactions are complex and require detailed study to fully understand their implications. Despite the uncertainties, one thing is clear. Joro spiders are here to stay, at least for the foreseeable future. Their arrival serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our world and the unpredictable ways in which species can move and adapt. The story of the Joro spider in Rochester is a microcosm of the broader patterns of species migration and adaptation that occur globally. As human activities continue to alter landscapes and climates, species are forced to adapt, migrate, or face extinction. The Joro spider's ability to establish itself in a new environment highlights the resilience and adaptability of nature. It also underscores the importance of studying and understanding these processes to better manage and conserve biodiversity. The interconnectedness of species means that changes in one part of the ecosystem can have far-reaching effects. The presence of Joro spiders in Rochester is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature and the need for careful stewardship of our natural resources. As we continue to learn more about these fascinating creatures, we gain a greater appreciation for the complexity and resilience of the natural world. So the next time you're strolling through a park in Rochester, keep an eye out for the shimmering golden webs of the Joro spider. Observe them, learn about them, and perhaps even appreciate their unique beauty. After all, they're now a part of the fabric of this historic city, adding a new chapter to its ever-evolving story. The presence of Joro spiders in urban parks and natural areas provides an opportunity for education and engagement with the public. By observing these spiders and learning about their biology and ecology, people can develop a deeper connection to the natural world. Educational programs and citizen science initiatives can help raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity and the role of species like the Joro spider in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Furthermore, the Joro spider's striking appearance and intricate webs can inspire curiosity and wonder, fostering a sense of appreciation for the beauty and complexity of nature. As we navigate the challenges of biodiversity loss and environmental change, fostering a sense of connection and stewardship is more important than ever.
Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world around us. Subscribe to our newsletter to join us on our next adventure. Our newsletter offers a wealth of information on a wide range of topics, from the latest scientific discoveries to practical tips for enjoying and protecting the natural world. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about the latest research, conservation efforts, and opportunities to get involved in your community. Whether you're a seasoned naturalist or just beginning to explore the wonders of nature, our newsletter has something for everyone. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating and ever-changing world around us and discover new ways to connect with and protect our planet.